had the festival of Diwali, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali. I know I'm a bit late, but I was held up in the household things and the puja at home. So you guys can see I have reached towards the Bomnari signal and will be heading towards the electronic city flyover. So this is the Yercaud Lake which I was talking about. We do have Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today once again we are back on the streets, and today we are going for a I would not say much bigger ride. It's going to be almost 225 to 250 kilometers. We are going to a place called, I don't know how to pronounce it right, maybe I would be pronouncing it wrong. It's there's a place called Yercaud, Yercaud in Tamil Nadu. That's a small hill station. So yesterday we had the festival of Diwali, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali. I know I'm a bit late, but I was held up in the household things and the puja at home. So since yesterday Diwali is over, I thought why not let's plan our ride today to some nearby places. So I found this place not very much covered by many people, so I thought why let's not explore this. So as you can see, the map is showing 4 hours 27 minutes. So if I take some 2 or 3 hours of break in between, not 3 hours I would say, but 2 hours of break also if I take, I don't want to rush. I'll go easily at a normal speed. So hopefully we'll try to reach there by around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and I guess you are going to enjoy the scenic views that we'll be capturing. Yeah, so that's it. So the time right now is 7:42. So let's see how it goes. I was waiting for this ride from too many days actually, but was not getting a chance to do that. Yeah, so here in this side we don't have much or anything to show or much to capture. So as you can see guys, the sun has already arisen and it's a beautiful weather today. We are on a Friday morning riding towards Yercaud. I hope you guys gonna love the first motovlog of mine, at least not first motovlog I would say, but the first motovlog to some destination or to a little bit bigger ride than what I've been doing in and around the cities right now. You can guys let me know in the comment section below if you would like to make me shoot the vlogs in Hindi language. I am comfortable in Hindi as well. The only reason I started in English is because I wanted my viewers to watch all over India, like especially from the South India, as I am currently staying in Bangalore. So if I make in Hindi, most people would not be able to understand that. So that's the reason I thought let me shoot in English so that people from South India can also watch my moto blogs. But still, if you guys want to make me shoot in Hindi language, you can let me know. I would love to do that. So you guys can see I have reached towards the Bomnari signal and will be heading towards the electronic city flyover. We need to cross that side, the Gudlu gate side and the straight road going towards that Atibile toll gate. So I'll be catching you guys that side, or wherever I see some good locations to show you, I'll be showing that as well. In between, if there's nothing, I would like to skip that part in order to save some time for the good scenic locations that I can shoot in and around the trip. Yeah, so this was a short update that I wanted to give you guys. So see you soon. So this is a beautiful road actually. I love to ride on this road. Yeah, so that was it. I'll keep you guys posted as and when I see some good locations to shoot. So this is one toll that we are crossing right now. It's a small town, I guess. Small town. The weather is pleasant. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I'm enjoying now while riding after so many days. It gives me, it's kind of a good therapy for me. Whenever I ride on the streets or on the highway, it gives me a lot of energy and motivation to live your life the way you always wanted. Like it's a dream come true for me to get into motor vlogging. I always wanted to be a motor vlogger. I used to watch a lot of motor vlogs, and by seeing the motor vloggers or the riders, I used to imagine, or I used to dream, when would be the day that I would start motor vlogging of my channel on my bike. And so this is just a little bit small start into that. Hopefully eventually, by practicing motovlogging into these kind of rides, I hope I can get better with the passing time or with the passing motovlogs. You guys can always let me know in the comment sections if you have any tips or any feedbacks for me to improve in this area. Any motovlogger watching my content can also suggest me, and any kind of feedback will be greatly appreciated. Okay, so that's all about that part of motovlogging. Now let's get back into this topic where we are riding right now to Yercaud, Tamil Nadu, and you see we have crossed Electronic City and the weather is pleasant. It's a bit traffic today because I guess it's a long weekend, so many people will be traveling here and there. The local people in and around Bangalore, they would be traveling to their natives, I guess, whenever there is a long weekend, kind of Friday holiday and Saturday, Sunday by default holiday. So that's the reason we have. And also I got a bit late. I was planning to leave around 6 a.m. in the morning, but couldn't make it happen. By packing things and getting all the setup done on the bike, like panniers on the top box, it took me a little bit of extra time. Otherwise I could have left early in the morning and I could have reduced much traffic and time. Okay. So I'll see you guys when I cross the Tipali toll gate there. I'm going to take a short tea break, so I'll be taking the first break. See some people still bursting crackers. Looks like a lot of enthusiasm in people for Diwali this year, and that's pretty much good. That's exciting and that's good to see. So we'll have to take this flyover. People changing lane all of a sudden. This is very dangerous for other people. You should think before doing this. Like for example, this car, you can see this is a good person. It looks like he gives indicator before changing the lane towards the left or the right. So I think this was the Atibili toll gate which I was talking about. We have arrived at that, and from here I think if I'm not wrong, Tamil Nadu border starts. I have both the side panniers loaded on my bike, and this is the first time I'm riding with that, so I need to be a bit careful with that so that it does not crashes with anyone or any object. That can be dangerous for me as well. So we'll be taking a short break at this place. We'll have a cup of tea and we'll see if there's something for breakfast, as it is already around 8:30. So not that hungry, but we'll see if we can get something. Actually, when you come early in the morning around 4 to 5 a.m, you get to see a lot of riders at this place, but that's not the scene right now. I guess all the riders would have already left by this time. Here we have a beautiful entrance. This is the Vella Chennai Salem Madurai Kanyakumari Coimbatore road, which you can take it. So we have crossed the Atibili toll gate, and now we have to get down this flyover and we need to take a right. It's a bright sunny day today, and it's a good experience to ride after so many days. I'm going for a ride. From here we need to get into the service road and then take the right from under the bridge, under the flyover, I guess. I hope you guys like my motovlog. If you like, then please make sure to like it on my YouTube channel as well. If you want to share with someone, you can share. If you want to comment, you can comment down any feedbacks, any suggestions. That would be greatly appreciated. This is, I guess we are on the NH 844, and this seems to be actually not that bad. It's good, but the bus drivers here are horrible. In order to take overturn, they'll do anything. They'll not even see who's on the other side of the road. As if they are racing or something. Till now we have not stopped for breakfast, so we'll see if we can find any good place. We'll have our breakfast. Looks like we are on a remote area. We are not able to find any good place for having breakfast. It's a single lane road, I guess, one way, which is not actually something I would like to prefer. I always prefer highways with 4-lane, 2-lane. I don't know why Google Map all of a sudden starts suggesting something which is very weird. It will suggest something remote area or outside the highways in order to save some time. I mean, like, why do we need to save time when we are riding? We can travel on a highway, which would be much more convenient rather than traveling or riding on this one-way or single-lane roads, which are very pathetic. The conditions are not good at all. Still, we have another 126 kilometers to cover. Hopefully, I guess we would be reaching our destination around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. at the max. Not more than that. Then we'll take a rest for some time and we'll see if in the evening we can go for some sunset view so that I can show you guys how beautiful it is.